Cue type number 2. This is where I'd love to talk to you about imagery. Imagery is one of my all-time favorite cues that I use. Because our brains see in pictures, we don't see the word bridge or stand or sit sort of typed out in front of our eyes as we're busy thinking it. If I had to say the word apple to you, you wouldn't see the word apple written down. What you'll probably see is a picture of an apple. And we'll all be very specific about whether we see a red, yellow, or green apple. For me, it's always a red apple that I see. And it's always on a wall in the top left-hand corner of my first grade teacher's classroom. So it's a very strong memory that I have. I don't actually see the fruit. I see the drawing. Other people will see the fruit on a tree or, whatever it is. We all have a memory of an apple. So those images can be incredibly powerful. If you don't hit on the right image though, it can not have a very great effect. So if I am working one-on-one with my client and I see the image is not working, I might say to them, this is what I'm trying to get you to achieve. Does an image come up for you? Now, if they're a very visual learner, they probably will do. If not, that's okay. Then you will use one of your other cue types. But if imagery really works for your client, which is really about 80% of your clients, I would say, it's just not a figure that I can sort of give you any research on. It's just from personal experience. There are people who really do not resonate with images, but I do. I love using imagery. And a lot of my clients say, oh, that makes it more understandable. You also can change the quality of the movement through the choice of image that you've got.